Akeem over here. Akeem is chewing something. Yeah, man. So guys, we're gonna have a quick tour of the market. Salam Dago. How is it? You're selling? Yeah, man. How is the business? Wow, you can see, guys. We have our glasses right over here. And, what is the name of your business? How's no name?
What's that? Mangalari Group Company.
Oh, Mangalari. Okay. So you have a lot of things. Snacks.
Biscuit, chocolate,
Huh?
biscuit. We have biscuit, chocolate,
Wow.
many things.
So what message do you have for the people about South Sudan?
Just I'm happy I like.
Yeah. It's really so much excited, guys. Really right over here, excited. And you, bro? Okay. Yeah, man. Guys, and you can see right over here we have eggs. Salam. And then this. Oh, he's calling me right over there, but I don't know why he's calling me. Let me first come and hear around. Okay, you can say anything you want. Tell people about South Sudan.
South Sudan is a good and young country. We would like to invite every foreigner to the country.
Yeah.
You guys are most welcome.
Yeah. Guys, you are most welcome. It's a welcome from my brother here. Your name?
Mursal.
Huh?
Mursal.
Sir. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, man. This is how it is right over here in South Sudan. We have different, whatever people have in their countries, we also do have them right over here in Juba, South Sudan. And we're still touring. You can see, big man. Yeah, man. Oh, this place is closed. And you can see right over here they're doing some nyamachoma. You see? Wow. Hi, salam. How's it? Yeah, we're just showcasing this beautiful snacks of South Sudan. Yeah. This chapati right over here. And then mandazi. See? Chips and chicken. But I'm not seeing the chicken. Where?
You will wait a little bit, Mama.
Wow. Oh, the chicken's right over there. You like them? Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, man, let's check on beautiful food right over here in Juba, South Sudan. You can see, man, a lot of chickens over here. And then chips.
Yeah.
How is the business?
We thank God.
Okay. You're from South Sudan?
No.
Eh?
Yeah.
You are...
I'm a Junubin, a Kenyan Junubin.
Oh, you're a Kenyan Junubin. So how is South Sudan for you?
We thank God.
Okay.
Yeah, we thank God. We are managing.
Any message to the Kenyans and the diaspora?
We feel at home.
Okay.
Yeah, we appreciate we feel at home. That's what we can say.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Wow. You can see there's still some service over here. Very organized. Yeah. Very, very organized. Wow, man. And let's still continue the tour. Wow. You can see porridge right over here on this other side. And also we have some nice avocados, man. You see? Wow, different stuff. And there's a machine right over here for... There's a machine here actually for cake. Salam alaikum. How's it? She's wow. Kef. Okay, Vidal. How much? Come.
500.
Which one? What is this one? Champion. Hey, let me. Oh, Tamia, can I see? Wow, this Tamia, man, for you. Very nice. Each is how much?
500.
Oh, 500. That's less than $1, like a cent. And then we have cake over here, and then some nice tamak, and then juice. Wow. And whenever you come here, guys, you don't need like to think of like a lot of things, like what to eat or what to get. You'll find everything over here. Hi. Ano ba yan? Ajata ko na. Ah? Why? Ah, yeah, motor. Oh. Ah, yeah, sorry. Wow. Wow, sorry. Oh, this one. Now guys, water. Wow. Oh. And guys, my sister just English so that the people can understand if possible.
No.
Okay. Isali.
Madamas.
Oh.
Malian.
Oh.
Anna mar wanda kan birija tense gusto bida fauke wanda mar kanna birija hajat tendare tibet anna birija bashino tuk gracia tuk de gajiru be 60 kan saf tuk kusika mana kita bida traffic ina bijana kajo kan kama ta raksa de yeah, they are giving us challenges and bakar.
Wow. So guys, she's just started saying that business is really not okay, and you can see she's selling a lot of things, man. Gina's right over here, and then pumpkin leaves, and then she has a lot of cakes, you can see. But she's saying that actual business is not actually that perfect, but it's a complaint from her. And let's keep on touring and showing you different kind of stuffs. Salam. How is it? Hey.
It's good, wallah.
What are you selling?
It's going well. And we are very happy with this program. And let this continue like this.
Wow.
We are nearing you Pojulu, but we are happy. We feel at home.
What are you selling right over here?
We are selling this one is called Tamia.
Tamia.
Tamia and Ash, plus Macorona.
This is here and
yes, Tamia, Macorona, and this one is Sambusa.
Sambusa.
Yeah.
How much is one?
Tamia is 3,000, Macorona is 4,000, Sambusa is 2,000.
Okay. Any message to the people who are watching you?
Those who miss, you really miss a lot, but
if you miss the day, yeah.
You continue with us. Thank you. We love you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Wow, man. You can see a lot of stuff right over here, and this is exactly how the market is, and you can see it's really very congested in this other side. So let's just tour. You can see very organized Jews right over here. Okay. Wow, you can see, guys, and we have different stuffs right over here. Hi. How is it? Oh, thank you so much. Yeah. How's business? You are selling a lot of things over here.
Yeah, we have a soup here.
Soup?
Yeah, soup, chicken and chips.
Soup is here?
No, this one is sweet.
Sweet, wow.
This one is soup.
Soup. Can I see from this? Oh, wow, guys. That's soup for you from South Sudan. And then shawarma, okay. Meat, shaya. Yeah. And then this one? Yeah. How much is one? 5,000. So one is 5,000. 5,000 is close to. Oh, very nice place for the visitors, for the customers, man. So please. Wow, what an organized place, man. I've been moving around, but I didn't actually saw something very organized like this.
Yeah.
Wow. You're from South Sudan?
Yes, I'm from South Sudan.
Oh. Wow, you can see, guys. I like the way how you design your place.
Thank you.
It's even more than like a hotel.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, thank you so much. Wow, man. Guys, let's tour around. You can see actually the ladies is actually, I can say that as it's actually the most like, her place is actually very, very organized, like the most organized place in all over this place. I've been touring around, but let's try to tour around. Maybe we can find some more amazing places right over here. Wow, man. Salam dagong. Cooking. Oh, inta. Isabi. Tisunu. Right.
Bamia,
Can we see?
Sukuma,
Keran
Fulmase, Cheya, Ufi, Asir.
Oh, yeah, Bajai.
Asir Kulufi.
Wow, these are the food, man. Ambassador Royal Lenas. Akil ta South Sudan de geli ke. Aha. You can see these are meat. The laham. And then sukuma. The best one of South Sudan. And then Omonia right over here. These are different South Sudan's food, man. Laham gaba. Goose meat.
Yeah, bush
Oh,
meat.
you're going to see goose meat.
Laham gaba.
Wow, see how it's actually cooked and very nice. You can see the soup. Asa kita begam? Halap kita begam?
Besirin.
Besirin. Oh, oh, share. Wow, you can see, guys. They have share over here.
Right.
Right. Wow. Now, for those of you who didn't actually see how South Sudanese food look like, I've just shown you how it is. Very nice, delicious, and most of them are just eaten with the bread.
Yeah.
You can see the bread is just hang over here. Sukran. Ah, yeah. Wow. Wow. And guys, the event is still actually going on. I'm going to be showing you actually a lot of things, you know. Just keep watching the video up to the end, and please give it a like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate, man. Wow. Wow, and guys, we got some. Can I see? Can I see? Okay. And guys, you can see we have some traditional stuff right over here. The beads, the Pojulu beads, it's right over here. As I've shown you in the previous video, the green actually represents the green land, and then the white peace. And you can see the drum. Wow. Very nice drum, guys, and they have clothes right over here, man. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. What next do we have? Wow. Let's go and check out some of the traditional things in the event. You can see there are so many people here. Dingman, give it. Tamam. Tamam ya. Jom dikit. Yeah, message at Rodi Lenas. Any message to the people who are watching about this day?
Yeah, better show Bolale, Jeritala, Massive, Wana, Velare, that is the Indus, that AI and Kilimal, the Pide Galanabes, Marahan.
This is what. Okay, so guys, he's actually very excited because of that. Okay, so